You're watching the Talk of Las Vegas. Doing our part in saving the planet, our episodes are now gluten-free and biodegradable.
Hey, this is Johnny with the Talk of Las Vegas. Are you kidding me? Look where we are today. We're down here at the Crust, Frank's the Crust Pizza Tratoria. And today we're doing some chicken Philly. Let's see what we're going to need for the chicken Philly today. Of course, we're going to need some chicken. And we're going to
Not in here.
Not in there. We're probably going to need some, these are the crispy wonton noodles if you're looking for the crab rangoon pizza that they offer now. So now I just got the chicken. Ooh, and they cook that chicken up here, right here. And this is going to be ready for the chicken Philly. Timer and towel. So he's got this chicken that he roasted up the other day. Clean off that grill a little bit.
Actually,
Gonna make a pizza. All right. And what kind of pizza are we making today?
a cheese pizza.
Cheese pizza.
With garlic.
With garlic. Cheese and garlic pizza. And look at all that cheese in there. Oh my, that is cheese. So he takes out this dough that he makes. How often do you make the dough here, Frank?
Oh, almost every day.
Almost every day.
Every day.
So he puts a little flour in there. Now he's gonna stretch that out. Put a little flour on there. Look at all those fixings. He's got bacon. He's gonna puff this up a little bit. He needs the dough. Well, you need the dough to make a pizza, right, Frank? That's right. So he's gonna stretch this bad boy out. Now, what size is this going to be?
Large.
Large cheese and garlic pizza. I'm telling you,
Half garlic.
cheese and garlic.
Half garlic.
Oh, half garlic. There
Half
you go.
garlic.
There you go.
See the white.
Stretch that bad boy out, put it on the board. Now the time is ticking. The clock is ticking right now because you only got a minute or so before it starts sticking on the board. So you've got to work with it.
For sure.
Work with his hand here. Put that cheese on there. That's Wisconsin cheese. Put that sauce on there.
Got bread in the oven for 3 minutes.
Sauce is sauce, I'm telling you. Now, what kind of pizza is this going to be? What style pizza is this going to be?
Tomato pie.
Oh, the tomato pie, all right, where he puts the sauce on the top, and that is the key. Let's just put that garlic on there. Now, this has all been squeezed out, right?
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Half garlic, half cheese, all cheese, half garlic. A large pizza. What's this going to set people back?
Oh, a whole $12.
$12, I'm telling you. So if you're looking for the best pizza in town, look at this. Pop this bad boy right in the oven, 600 degrees. He's going to take those buns out of there. Those are getting ready for the chicken Yeah, I know, that's right. Chicken Philly. And he's going to put this away, put that away, close the door, and then come right over here. It's like he's like a machine. I'm telling you. Put that pizza box getting ready, got the buns getting ready. Now he's going to put this together. It's like an assembly line. And now he's going to do this chicken Philly. Yeah, I'm telling you. Slice that bread up a little bit. Cut that right now.
Without cutting your hand?
Exactly. And he's going to get that chicken ready. Positively. So they're getting how much chicken with this chicken?
Oh, about 5 ounces.
5 ounces of chicken. Now, what kind of fixings are you going to be putting on this?
Oh, all the normal stuff.
All the normal
Here we
stuff.
go.
Throw that right on there.
Yeah. The mushroom. Onion.
Yeah. Gets confused sometimes.
That was confusing, wasn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the secret seasoning.
Put that right on there. Oh, baby. Now, do you chop that all up like Philly cheese? Put that butter on there. Clarified butter.
Clarified butter. Not just any butter.
It's better.
Butter is better.
Listen to that. Oh, man. That's nice. That cheese is ready to go. What kind of cheese is this? Mozzarella?
White American.
White American.
Yes.
Wow.
Racist American.
There you go.
There you go.
That cheese away. Now, is this going to be enough for 2 sandwiches?
No, that's one.
What's the other sandwich going to be?
One other sandwich.
So you got 2 months up there.
One's yours.
Oh, okay, just checking. That's checking.
There we go.
Oh, hey, watch it, buddy.
What's that for the plain veggies?
I know, it's like going to a Gallagher concert.
Oh, I wish.
Huh? Drop that chicken.
I'll show Gallagher up on that.
I'm telling you.
My hero.
Huh?
Love Gallagher.
Drop that chicken. Look at that. That's going to be one good sandwich. What do you think? Good.
Good sandwich. Oh,
Look
this
at
is
that.
$9.
So if you're looking for the best chicken Philly sandwich, or even a regular Philly sandwich, you got to come down to Frank's, the Crust Pizza at Tratoria.
Look at
That
that
little
beautiful thing.
baby. He's gonna get this sandwich going here, get that cheese on top, put the topper on the top, and put a little water in there, get that steam going. Oh yeah, get a high rolling boil.
Go.
Oh, it
Now,
is
that'll
all
be
set.
yours.
That one's nice.
Now we
Get
gotta
your
go
paper
move
going.
the pizza.
That pizza's just about done now. Or at least slide it around a little bit.
Yeah, move it around.
There you go, moving around, moving around. Don't want any hot spots.
When the Philly's done,
Getting pretty close.
how's that looking?
Oh,
look
baby.
at that.
Gonna slide all of that inside the sandwich.
If it fits.
Oh, it's gonna fit.
Look at that beautiful sandwich. Look at that.
I'm telling you.
And
Where
there
are we
you
gonna get one of these, Frank? Where are we gonna get one of these?
Frank's the Crust.
And Wigwam and Pecos. Wigwam and Pecos. So come on down, pick up the phone, give them a call. Call quick or come on by to the Crust.
Here we go.
And this is Johnny
And Frank
with the talk.
of Las Vegas.